service to LA Union Station will arrive shortly on track 1.
Hello everyone, we're still here in Thousand Trails Soledad Canyon, and today we're going out for exciting adventure. We're going to head out on a train ride, so it ought to be a lot of fun. Got to come along and enjoy it.
Full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts. I think about you all the time, morning, evening, and midnight. Such a wonderful delight. Forgo, give up everything that I own. Give it all up now, just to be with you somehow. Unexpected love was found. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say we hold each other tight. You're the rose in a garden, and it shows if I'm honest. You're the leaves in mid-August, and I've come out here to say that I love you. Ooh, ooh. search of you. Oh my, our bodies interlace.
Here we are at the train station in Anaheim. Took a bus over to Disney, met some friends, and we took an Uber back. And you can see it's right next to the interstate there. And then across the way is the Anaheim Angels Stadium. And then back over this way is where the Anaheim Ducks play, there at the Honda Center.
We will dance away the gloomy days right here. We are silver line, one of a kind, you and me.
Hello everybody. I was just getting ready to edit the video here and realized we didn't do a outro. Plus it was late at night when we got back.
Dark.
So yeah, it was a lot of fun. We're here at the Soledad Canyon 1,000 Trails, which is in Acton, California. So got this train that runs right here beside the campground all day long.
and early in the morning, like 4.
And so we had some friends that were down at Disneyland in Anaheim, and we decided we were going to try to see about taking a train ride down. So they got the train that runs. Not sure what the normal price was during the week, but
I don't know.
I want to say it was like $14 each way or something like that, $14 or $16. I'm not sure. But weekends they have you get a day pass. It's only $10.
Yeah.
So you can ride the train line all day long. It's only good for one day.
But it goes as far down as you want near about, like, I think almost to San Diego.
Yeah. So we took the train from here. We had to change trains down in LA at the Union Station and then hopped on the other train down to Anaheim. Once we got to Anaheim, we were able to take a bus. And then on the way back, due to time, we just took an Uber. And the Uber was like $16.
$16 from the downtown Disney hotel to the Anaheim train station.
Yeah.
Just so we wouldn't have to wait on the bus. Because the buses on Saturdays and Sundays only run every 40 minutes.
Yeah, there's not on no time schedule or nothing.
Yeah.
So, but all in all, it was a fun day. We had a blast.
Yeah.
I got to get out and see a little bit of sights on the train ride down.
Yes.
Gorgeous view out of here. You're going through the canyons and the mountains. And then, of course, you get downtown there toward the LA area.
Yeah.
So, other than that, had a great time. And we're going to go ahead and wrap up this video.
Yeah, I suggest you try it out if you're staying here, though. Go ride that train. It's just a few minutes down the road to get to the train station. It's the Vincent Acton train station.
Yep.
Yeah, so go out and find your adventure.
And I can reach you from a distance. I can, so beautiful. I can hear you within the silence.